Welcome to Tectonomial. Do you know how long is one day on Jupiter? Or which planet has no atmosphere? Let's find out. How good is your knowledge about universe? Don't forget to share your score in the comments below. Before starting, please subscribe to Tectonomial. Here is the first question for you. Which planet is sideways on its axis? Earth, Uranus, Jupiter or Saturn? The correct answer is Uranus. What is a light year a measure of? Time, weight, distance or speed? And the answer is distance. What color is the sun in space? Red, yellow, white or orange? What do you think? The correct answer is white. What causes tides on Earth? Wind, earthquake, sunlight or moon's gravity? And the answer is moon's gravity. Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus or Mars? The correct answer is Saturn. Which is the densest planet in our solar system? Saturn, Mercury, Earth or Neptune? And the answer is Earth. Which planet has the longest day? Venus, Mars, Jupiter or Earth? And the correct answer is Venus. Which planet has storms larger than Earth? Earth, Mars, Saturn or Jupiter? The answer is Jupiter. What is a neutron star made of? Ice, gas, pure neutron or light? And the correct answer is pure neutrons. Which planet is called Earth's twin? Venus, Mars, Mercury or Jupiter? And the answer is Venus. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Oxygen, hydrogen, carbon or helium? And the correct answer is hydrogen. What is the boundary around a black hole called? Wormhole, event horizon, photon belt or gravity wall? And the answer is event horizon. Which planet is known for its extreme winds? Earth, Neptune, Saturn or Mars? The correct answer is Neptune. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Mars or Jupiter? And the answer is Venus. What is the largest type of star? Red giant, white dwarf, supergiant or neutron star? And the correct answer is supergiant. Which planet has a giant hexagon on its pole? Neptune, Saturn, Uranus or Jupiter? And the answer is Saturn. Which is the closest star to Earth? Polaris, Alpha Centauri, Proxima Centauri or Sirius? And the correct answer is Proxima Centauri. What color are most stars actually? White, red, blue or yellow? And the answer is white. What's found in the center of most galaxies? A planet or a moon, a black hole or a nebula? And the correct answer is a black hole. What is the moon slowly doing over time? Shrinking, getting closer, or spinning faster, or moving away? And the answer is moving away. What is the universe doing right now? Shrinking, expanding, staying still, spinning? And the correct answer is it's expanding. What kind of wave is used to detect cosmic background radiation? Sound waves, microwaves, or radio waves, or UV waves? And the answer is microwaves. What kind of galaxy is the Milky Way? Elliptical, irregular, spiral, or ring? And the correct answer is spiral. What's the brightest object in the night sky after the moon? Mars, Venus, Sirius, or Polaris? And the answer is Venus. What's the name for a star explosion? Nova, supernova, pulsar, or comet? And the answer is supernova. How long is one day on Jupiter? 10 hours, 24 hours, 18 hours, or 36 hours? And the answer is 10 hours. What protects Earth from solar winds? Clouds, ozone, magnetic field, or moon? And the correct answer is magnetic field. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mars, Mercury, Pluto, Venus? And the answer is Mercury. How long does light from the sun take to reach Earth? 8 seconds, 8 minutes, 80 minutes, or 0.8 seconds? And the correct answer is 8 minutes. Which planet has the tallest volcano? Mars, Venus, Earth, or Jupiter? And the answer is Mars. Which is the most powerful force in the universe? Magnetism, gravity, nuclear force, or dark energy? And the correct answer is gravity. What's the name for a group of stars forming a pattern? Nebula, cluster, galaxy, or constellation? And the answer is constellation. How fast does Earth travel around the Sun? 30 km per second, 300 km per hour, 1000 km per hour, or 1 km per second? And the correct answer is 30 km per second. What's the term for a planet outside our solar system? Moon, dwarf planet, exoplanet, or asteroid? And the answer is exoplanet. What happens to the time near a black hole? It stops, reverses, slows down, or it speeds up? And the correct answer is it slows down. What is the edge of the solar system called? Oort cloud, Jupiter belt, asteroid belt, or heliopause? The answer is heliopause. What is the term for the birth of the universe? Starburst, cosmic dawn, Big Bang, universe launch. And the correct answer is Big Bang. What type of celestial body is Ceres? Moon, planet, dwarf planet, or comet? And the answer is dwarf planet. What is the most reflective planet? Earth, Mars, Venus, or Jupiter? And the correct answer is Venus. Which planet rotates the fastest? Saturn, Jupiter, Mercury, or Uranus? And the answer is Jupiter. Which gas makes Uranus and Neptune blue? Oxygen, methane, hydrogen, or ammonia? And the correct answer is methane. Which is the brightest galaxy in the sky? Andromeda, Milky Way, Sombrero, Messier 87. And the answer is Andromeda. What's the name of the closest galaxy to us? Triangulum, Large Magellanic Cloud, Andromeda, or Centauri? And the correct answer is Andromeda. What causes a shooting star? Comet tail, meteor burning, star falling, or space dust? And the answer is meteor burning. Which space telescope changed our view of the universe? James Webb, Galileo, Hubble, or Kepler? And the correct answer is Hubble. What is the term for multiple universes existing? Multiverse, megaverse, metaverse, or multiverse? And the answer is multiverse. Which galaxy do we live in? Andromeda, Milky Way, Triangulum, or Orion? And the correct answer is Milky Way. What is the moon's surface covered with? Ice, sand, dust, or lava? And the answer is dust. Which planet has no atmosphere? Mars, Mercury, Venus, or Neptune? And the correct answer is Mercury. What is the nickname of Mars? Ice World, Blue Planet, Red Planet, or Storm Giant? And the answer is Red Planet. What kind of eclipse can turn day into night? Lunar, partial, total solar, annular? And the correct answer is total solar. What keeps planets in orbit around the sun? Wind, speed, gravity, or light? And the answer is gravity. What do astronauts experience in space? High gravity, low pressure, weightlessness, or cold burns? And the answer is weightlessness. Which is the largest object in our solar system? Earth, Jupiter, Sun or Saturn? And the answer is Sun. Which is the coldest place in the universe ever recorded? Pluto, Boomerang Nebula, Neptune or outer moon of Uranus? Share your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Factonomian for more informative quizzes. See you in the next video.